All right, so for this example, it says, what is the y-intercept that is perpendicular to this line and through this point? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify my normal slope. My normal slope is 3. And my perpendicular slope is going to be negative 1/3 because we do the opposite and reciprocal. So we're going to use the point and my parallel slope to find my y-intercept. And we're going to do that by doing y equals mx plus b. So we're going to solve for b, but before we can do that, we've got to plug in our information. So we're going to take our x value, plug in the x spot, take our y value, plug in the y spot, and take our perpendicular slope and plug in the slope spot. So this is going to be 4 equals negative 1/3 times x, which is 3, plus b. So this is going to be negative 1 times 3, which is negative 3, and then divided by 3 is going to give me negative 1. And then we're going to finish by adding 1, and b equals 5. And it just asked for the y-intercept, so we didn't need to write the whole equation.